This painting comes from the folio of a dispersed Bhagavad Puran series. Soaking the page in dazzling colors, the painter produces here daringly what is his own version of episode. He completely discards the idea of rendering the demon in his anthropomorphic or demonic form and turns him into a roaring swirl that rises and hangs over the scene. No head or Rakshasa's horn is seen, and yet we know, much as the painter knew, that this is Trinavarta himself. This folio comes from Hamzanama manuscript, one of the most exciting and extensive manuscripts ever to be painted in India, and one of the key documents of Mughal painting, commissioned by Mughal Emperor Akbar. Two great Persian masters, Mir Sayyid Ali and Khwaja Abdul Samad, directed and supervised it, and a host of greatly gifted painters, drawn from Indian tradition, collaborated on it. Intricate design and bold intervention, close observation, and soaring imagination came together. In this folio, Umar, the sprightly Ayyar, on his way to deliver a message to an adversary king, confronts a great dragon. Snorting and emitting noxious vapors, the dreaded creature emerges from one of the dark pits that dot the bleak tract of land that is his home and advances towards the intruder. Umar has to fall back upon his wits to get out of this. He pulls out a vial of naphtha that he is carrying and throws it at dragon, which bursts into flames and is soon reduced to cinders. At this, the populace gathered to see this fight from just outside the palace at the top of the painting breaks into jubilant music. The energy in the page and the manner in which the painters have set the scene up are striking. The dark and ominous ground is contrasted with the brilliantly lit form of one of the finest dragons in all of Islamic art. The athletic figure of Umar emanates confidence, yet his face reveals anxiety. The range of expressions on the faces of the curious but timid men taking refuge behind the painted rocks is astonishing. But the viewer is also invited to contemplate upon all those dark and open-mouthed pits from which this great dragon has emerged.